boys and girls, Miss Frank here for your daily calendar review. I hope that you all are having a great day, and let's get started. So yesterday we had a rain cloud as our pattern piece. So what does that mean our next pattern piece is going to be? Let's check and find out. It's a sun, so I know that a rain cloud is my D piece. So I need to go back to my A piece because it's going to repeat. All right, so on this lovely Wednesday, so today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Awesome job. So if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday, boys and girls? Yesterday was Tuesday. Fantastic. And if today is Wednesday, what's tomorrow going to be? Thursday. And tomorrow is the last day in April. I cannot believe the month is already over. All right, so tomorrow will be Thursday. So boys and girls, if today is the 29th, what is the day before? It's the 28th. Awesome. And if today's the 29th, what's the day after? The 30th. Fantastic. All right, moving into our spiral review for Wednesday. You need to draw the shape that is next to the square. All right, boys and girls, and this right here is the square. So if I want to go next to it, it would either be this position, but there's no shape there, or this position, and there is a shape there. Who can tell me what this shape is called that is next to the square? The triangle. That is correct. The triangle is next to the square. All right, next question. I have a number sentence for you to write about those dots. Go ahead and get it done. All right, boys and girls, if you haven't had a chance to write down your number sentence, no worries. Just press pause and come back to me when you're ready. So I'm going to start with my red. I see no red, so I would put a 0 right here. And my 0 didn't seem to want to go. Oh, there it is. So 0. And then I now see 4 yellow. So 0 and 4 is 4. So if I have a 0 and I add a number, it's going to be that number because I have nothing and then I give it 4 and that makes it 4. All right. Next question. Go ahead and get your one more and one less chart done for the number 4. So what is 1 less than 4 and 1 more than 4? Keep going, you're doing great. All right, so I've got 4 and I'm going to take 1 away and I will get 3. So 3 is 1 less than 4 and then I have 4 and I add 1 more. How many do I have? 5. And we practiced writing those 5s yesterday, so make sure your 5 is looking beautiful. All right, last question, boys and girls, of the day. Write your numbers 0 to 20. All right, boys and girls, this is where I leave you. I hope you have a fantastic day. Go ahead and write your numbers 0 to 20. And I will see you very soon. I love you. I miss you. And have a wonderful day, boys and girls.